So this is a tutorial that's going to show you how to use Signup Genius, being that ptcfast.com turned into a pay site this spring. So we're going to experiment with Signup Genius as a way to schedule parent-teacher conferences. The first thing you need to go do is go to signupgenius.com. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create an account with your school email. Set up a password so that you kind of end up at a home screen or a screen that has this create a sign up button. You can see that I'm already logged in here, so we're going to go ahead and create a sign up. You click on the green create a sign up button, then go ahead and create a group if you don't already have one. My group would be Mr. Roby's 5th grade if I was a 5th grade classroom teacher. After you name your group, title your sign up. So this would be like 2018 spring conferences. You can add something to the description if you want to, maybe the structure of your conference, or you can leave it blank. Go ahead and hit continue. You're going to then choose a theme for your conference. A lot of these with the little ribbon icon are pay themes. Well, they're all pay themes, so you're going to have to choose one that doesn't have one. Maybe you want to go the basketball route. I'm going to go art pencils for today, and then continue. The next thing it asks is what type of event are people signing up for. This one would be time slots, which is, it says it right here, parent-teacher conference, people choosing from a range of time. As soon as you click that, it pulls you to the question, well, when do you want your conferences to be? So let's say that my first conferences are going to be on Saturday, March 3rd. I'm going to choose just that one date, March 3rd, in my classroom, and that's a Saturday, so I'm going to uncheck all the other boxes except for Saturday. I'm going to put my start time in. Say I'm starting at 8 in the morning, and I'm going until noon. And then it's important to change your time slot increment to 20 minutes, since that's how we do conferences. And then you're going to hit continue. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So you're going to hit continue. It's going to take you to this next tab, which is slots. But before you do anything, you're going to go back to dates and times, where it's set up all your slots for Saturday, but you need to set up your other days as well. So right down below where all your slots are, there's a button called Add Time Slots, and that's what you're going to click on. And then you're going to do the same thing for your other conference days. So let's say that I'm also going to do my conferences on, well, not Monday because I don't have to. So I'm going to do them on that Tuesday that I have to. We're going to do those from 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock every 20 minutes in my classroom, and this is a Tuesday, and add time slots. So now I have all of the time slots from Saturday, I have all the time slots from Tuesday, I have my full 8 hours, and I'm set to go. If you're breaking your week up into more than 2 days, then you would just do it again. Add time slots and add that third and or fourth time that you are scheduling. You don't need to do anything down here and add new dates and times. So I'm going to click Update. Now I'm over to the slots where I need to be. So the title of the slot can be Conference. You need to title it with something, or else it won't let you pass this page. You do just want one parent to sign up in that slot. This would be if you want them to put their kid's name instead of their name, you might type directions to do that in here. I'm just going to leave it blank. I'm going to leave all this the same. So really the only thing I've done is type conference in there, and I'll leave this the same, and I'm going to hit continue. Their name is going to be required. Their email defaults to required. Decide whether or not you have any parents in your class that don't have email, and you might turn that to optional. It's nice if it's required because the system is going to kick out reminders to them if they have their email in the if they put their email in. Comment optional. Decide whether you want to be notified when somebody signs up. That'd be a lot of notifications at first. I think it would calm down. Decide when you want to send people a reminder for their conference, and then uncheck the box that allows people to swap slots with each other. That's just going to get messy. I'd suggest unchecking it. So we will continue to the preview. We have here what it's going to look like to parents. If you need to do something different, you can obviously go back to your settings or slots and adjust. Otherwise, I am going to say proceed to invite and publish. And I'm at the last hint here, or the last tab. You decide, well, I don't think you need to mess with this custom email text because you are going to do it this way. It's probably the easiest. When you're in this tab of number 7, you're not going to do anything except say, take my sign up live, but don't send emails. So when you click that button, it gives you your link that you are going to send out to your parents with whatever custom text you want to put in that email. So you'll put the date that you want them to sign up by. You'll ask them to put their child's name in instead of their name if that's how you want it to be organized. If you think you can figure out who every child is by just looking at their name, then that's fine. So you're just going to copy this, and then you have the actual sign up genius right here for people to actually sign up on. So this you will probably bookmark so that you can go and you can look up the signups. When they go to sign up, they'll click on one, submit and sign up. It says sign up as Matt Roby because that's the parent's name. If you want them to display an alternate name and type in their child's name before they hit sign up now, then you'd have to tell them to do that in the email. But when they hit sign up now, it is, thank you, Luke, you're all signed up. They get a confirmation email, you get a notification if you've set up, and we should be good to go. So just like in the past, you are going to control all of your own conferences. Hannah and Cameron and I will not have a way of seeing who is signed up for what times, so it is yours to manage, just like with PTC Fast. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions at all. And that does it.